AI investing. It's everywhere, right? But let's get real for a second. Is it the ultimate tool for growing your wealth, or just another overhyped tech trend? Can AI beat seasoned investors? Or are we just being dazzled by fancy algorithms? Some say it's the future, others think it's just too risky. Or too complex for the average person. But what's the truth? In today's video, we're going to cut through the noise and take a deep dive into the reality of AI investing. We'll break down the biggest myths that might be holding you back, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what AI can and can't do for your financial future. Spoiler alert, some of these myths are way off the mark. Stick with me, because what you're about to discover might completely change the way you think about investing. Myth number 1. AI tools are too complicated for beginners. This idea often scares people away from even trying AI-powered investing platforms. The reality? AI tools are actually designed to be easy and accessible. Take platforms like Acorns, one of the simplest AI investing tools out there. Acorns takes your spare change from everyday purchases, rounds it up, and invests it for you. The best part? You don't need to know a single thing about stocks or finance to get started. It's practically set it and forget it. You can download the app, connect your account, and you're done. See? No degree in computer science or Wall Street experience required. It's like having a financial assistant in your pocket, but without the monthly salary. Myth number 2. AI always beats human investors. Alright, this next one gets a lot of hype. AI always beats human investors. Now don't get me wrong, AI is powerful, but it's not a magical money-making machine. AI doesn't always outperform human investors. The truth is, AI does have advantages, like analyzing huge amounts of data and making quick decisions without emotional bias. But it's not foolproof. Remember, AI is only as good as the data and algorithms it's built on. If market conditions change unpredictably, like during a financial crisis, AI can make mistakes. So while AI can be a great tool, it doesn't guarantee success every time. Some of the best results come when human intuition and AI work together. You, as an investor, can bring context and judgment that AI simply can't replicate. AI is a tool in your toolbox, not the whole kit. Myth number 3. AI investing is risk-free. Oh, here's a big one. People often believe that AI investing is risk-free. I hate to break it to you, but there's no such thing as risk-free investing, even with AI. AI can analyze trends and data better than humans, but it can't predict the future. Markets are volatile, and AI is working with probabilities, not certainties. It can help minimize risk, sure, but it can't eliminate it. This is why diversification, spreading your investments across different assets, is still key. Many AI tools, like Betterment and Wealthfront, use algorithms to diversify your portfolio based on your risk tolerance, helping manage potential losses. So while AI is a fantastic tool to help manage risk, it doesn't remove it. Myth number 4. AI tools are only for rich investors. Now, let's clear up this myth. AI investing is only for the rich. Nope, this one couldn't be more wrong. AI investing tools like Acorns let you start investing with just your spare change. Seriously, that 50 cents left over from your morning coffee can start growing your wealth with AI. M1 Finance and Betterment allow you to begin with small amounts and gradually build your portfolio. AI investing has made it more accessible than ever to get started with little money. So, whether you're working with $10 or $10,000, AI can help you invest smarter without breaking the bank. Myth number 5. AI investing will replace human financial advisors. Next up, This idea that AI is going to take over and replace human financial advisors. Not so fast. While AI can handle a lot of the data analysis and decision-making processes, financial advisors bring something to the table that AI simply can't: personalized human insight. Advisors can help you navigate life events like buying a house, saving for your kids' education, or planning for retirement in a way that's deeply personal and nuanced. So, while AI is revolutionizing the investing world, it's not replacing human advisors. Instead, it's helping them make even more informed decisions on your behalf. It's the best of both worlds. Tech meets personal touch. Myth number 6. AI investing is only for tech experts. Alright, last myth of the day, and this one's a doozy. AI investing is only for tech-savvy people. False. AI investing platforms are designed for ease of use. You don't need to be a coder or have a degree in data science to use them. These tools do the heavy lifting for you. With just a few clicks, you can set your financial goals, choose your risk tolerance, and let the AI take over. Simple as that. If you can use a smartphone, you can start investing with AI. It's really that easy. Final thoughts. The reality of AI investing. So, what's the real deal with AI investing? It's not complicated. It's not just for the rich, and it's not here to replace humans. AI investing is a powerful tool that can help anyone, beginners or seasoned investors, make smarter, more informed decisions. But remember, it's just that, a tool. It's not perfect, and it comes with its risks. If you're curious about AI investing, why not give it a try? You've seen how easy it can be. Whether you're looking to start small or grow an existing portfolio, AI can help you along the way. If you enjoyed this breakdown of AI investing myths, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. As we move into an era where AI continues to revolutionize the financial landscape, staying informed and adaptable is important. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding the potential and limitations of AI is crucial. And remember, the future of investing isn't just about technology. It's about how we use it to make smarter, more informed decisions. You can watch more videos here to learn more. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more content, and happy investing.